Imagine sending a message across millions of kilometers to Mars and getting only silence in return. For 2 weeks in January 2026, NASA's mission controllers experienced this planned quiet. The usual stream of data from Mars, weather, photos, system updates, stopped completely. This wasn't a failure, but a scheduled disconnection, a cosmic pause. The reason? The Sun moved directly between Earth and Mars, blocking our signals. It's a reminder of the vast, shifting distance between our worlds. Mission teams knew the silence was coming, but it still felt unsettling. The daily connection, like a call to a distant family member, was suddenly gone. This forced break highlights the challenges of interplanetary exploration. The silence is a test of trust in our machines, which must operate alone. For 2 weeks, our robots on Mars followed preset instructions, cut off from help. It's the ultimate test of their autonomy and resilience. The quiet isn't just technical, it's emotional too. We wait, hoping that when the Sun moves aside, our robotic explorers will answer. This cosmic disconnection is a powerful reminder. Space is vast, and our reach is still fragile. But every time the silence ends, we're reminded of the incredible journey our signals make across the solar system. This silence has a name: solar conjunction. Every 2 years, Earth and Mars end up on opposite sides of the Sun. The Sun's charged particles create a noisy plasma that scrambles radio signals. Sending commands through this interference risks disaster. One garbled message could end a mission. So, NASA pauses all commands, uploading a detailed to-do list to each robot before the blackout. Rovers and orbiters are told to stay put, avoid risky moves, and focus on safe science. Some basic health data might get through, but most signals are lost in the noise. For 2 weeks, mission teams become patient listeners, waiting for the Sun to move aside. This planned pause is a humbling reminder. Even with advanced tech, we must respect the forces of the cosmos. When the Sun finally moves, the line reopens, and the mission continues. During the 2026 conjunction, all our Martian explorers, rovers and orbiters, fell silent. Curiosity and Perseverance, our robotic geologists, paused their journeys and parked safely. High above, orbiters like MRO, Odyssey and Maven halted complex science and stopped relaying messages. The entire Mars network entered a state of quiet vigilance. No driving, no drilling, just basic monitoring and waiting. Without the ability to intervene, even minor glitches could become major problems. So, every machine was put into a safe, minimal activity mode. The interconnectedness of our Mars missions became clear. When one link is broken, all must wait. For 2 weeks, our billion-dollar explorers simply endured, proving their resilience. The silence was strange, but it kept our missions safe. Even in silence, the rovers weren't idle. Perseverance and Curiosity acted as automated weather stations, tracking temperature, wind, and radiation. They monitored their own health, storing diagnostic data for later transmission. Their cameras captured slow changes in the Martian landscape, photos to share once contact resumed. No risky moves, just passive science and survival. Mars is harsh, but the rover's software kept them safe. Heaters on if it got cold, power conserved if needed. For 2 weeks, they proved they could handle Mars alone. This autonomy is crucial for future, more distant missions. When the blackout ended, the first data sent home was a complete report of their survival. Robotic independence isn't just engineering, it's the future of space exploration. The silence ended right on schedule. As the Sun moved aside, signals from Mars returned, first from the orbiters, then from the rovers. Status reports confirmed. All systems were healthy, memories full of new data. Relief and celebration swept through mission control. Science resumed, weather reports, images and rock samples flowed in. The Mars exploration program roared back to life. This success proves our robots can survive alone, paving the way for more ambitious missions. The Mars Sample Return campaign is next, and human missions are on the horizon. Every blackout we overcome brings us closer to putting boots on Mars. In the quiet of space, we're learning how to thrive on another world.